So today's video is about my personal experience with the HRT. I have been on it for just over a year, so I think I've given it a fair try and can talk about my experience. Welcome to Shoni's World. Today, from the title, you would know that I'm talking about HRT. So I had a hysterectomy in 2018 and my ovaries were healthy, so the doctor advised me to keep my ovaries in. So for a while, I did not experience any symptoms or any that really were affecting me. So in the past year or so, just over a year, about 2 years, I think, I've started experiencing menopause symptoms that are recognizable. So menopause symptoms are very different and some people have more than others. So the examples of menopause symptoms could be dry skin, your hair falling, your ears itching, which is what I had, palpitations, anxiety, mood swings, and many others. Even arthritis kind of pains can be attributed to the menopause. So what happens during menopause is that your estrogen levels drop. And what does estrogen do in our body? I will read out a definition that I've got from the web. I'm not a medic, so I'm relying on other sources. So estrogen regulates the growth, the development, and physiology of the human reproductive system. This hormone influences neuroendocrine, skeletal, adipose, and cardiovascular systems. Estrogen is an important sex hormone produced primarily by the ovaries in females and testes in males. So what can the lack of estrogen do to your body? It can weaken your bones. You can have memory problems. Of brain fog is one of them, cause dementia symptoms, and also could cause heart disease, osteoporosis. Fair things that women have to cope with, and this dramatic drop in some people results in a lot of dramatic symptoms. And it is difficult to function on a day-to-day basis for some women. Not being able to sleep in the night is a big one because you're tired. And if you're tired, then the next day you're not going to be at your optimum best. Your brain is not going to perform in its body. Your body's not going to perform in its optimum best. You're not going to be able to function really well. So when I started experiencing my hot flashes, that caused a real problem for me. I found it really hard. So then I went to my doctors, and because I've had a hysterectomy, I didn't need to have progesterone. People who have uteruses are prescribed progesterone as well. I was given the estrogen. This comes in various forms. You'll be offered, you can have it, I think, as patches, as tablets, or as gel, and I decided to go for the estrogen. And for me, I just had to have 2 pumps of it twice a day, and that was it. And believe you me, it transformed my life. I slept through the night like a baby for the first time in years. Well, what felt like years. And I have no hot flashes. My dry skin magically seemed to have disappeared. The little aches and pains and the ear itching went. Heart palpitations, I don't have. Anxiety, I had suddenly started experiencing. I'm not an anxious person, so when that had started happening, I found it really odd. So it's helped me with all of that. So that has been my experience. And the reason I'm doing this video is when I did my video on what to eat to reduce your symptoms of menopause, I got some questions and people asking me about supplements and menopause. I've never taken menopause, and other than a multivitamin supplement, I don't really take any other supplements. But the estrogen that has been prescribed is working a treat for me. I know it doesn't suit everybody, but if it does suit you, it has far more benefits than previously. There was this whole scare linked to cancer, which I believe now is not there anymore, or is far reduced than in the old days. So it's worth giving it a go. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm going to leave a link to all my hysterectomy experience. I'm going to leave a link to what you should eat after an operation that I've done. I'm going to leave a link to this video as well, just in case you bump off and have to come back. You know where to find everything. I wish you all the best, and let me know if you want any other questions answered from my personal experience, if I can help. I think sharing knowledge is always helpful, and I know we all search on YouTube and Google for answers to anything, any questions we have about health or DIY or fixing a dishwasher. I find YouTube and Google so very helpful. There is a lot of nonsense there, but make sure you actually look out and make sure you're getting it from a good source, your information. Thank you for watching. All the best, and if you like my videos, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and click on the bell icon for more videos to do with cooking, travel, lifestyle, and of course the wonderful world of menopause that we women go through. Bye for now.